Well, the train's back to Stranraer again from the 1st of July. There you go. It's nice to get a train back in Stranraer to get to Ayr instead of waiting booking the buses from there. So people start using this before anything else. We need to get it back for 2 hours each day up to Glasgow. There you go, folks. So that's your train back again to come to what's called Stranraer. That's going back out to 707, alright. Let's start using the train service to see if we can get the 2 hour back in line again up to Glasgow. And we'll appreciate it. It's a good service from here to Glasgow. Would take quicker going on the train than going on a bus. There you go. Let's go. We take a wee walk, Laura. And see if we can take it when it comes back out. There you go. Right. So we'll wait here till the 707. It'll be coming out again. The 707. What time is it due? Back at 707. What time is it now? So they'll be new with the switch over to do what's called to another cabin. So you'll be going back out there again to go back to Ayr. So hopefully we get this back in control. So see if we can get this back up to 2 hours each day. It's nice to see it back open again.
Is it the coal first then? Yeah, that's right.
Feels great. There you go, that's the Stranraer train station. I'll be back out just shortly. It's changing the colour going back to Ayr. It's 5:07. We'll start using this service. It's an ideal for what's called getting off here, and then you can get another bus to get up to what's called to the Stranraer line or P&O boat ferries.
Hiya.
Just to say to you, it's a good train station. It's not been used for quite a long time because of what's called because of the hotel being on fire. So, was it him? Get him on. Who gave you the fingers? So here it comes. It's quite coming up just shortly. The what's called 5:07 train going back to Ayr. That'll be, if I can remember, a couple of stations. It used to be Stranraer, Govan, Mabel and Air.
That's the train I'm now. Don't know where you've been sent though.
Thanks for the follows on YouTube. Thanks for following me. Subscribe. Remember, bloodied free to subscribe.
2 minutes to go.
So I'll be walking that line just a minute. We can what's called see who can win. See who gets across that bridge before anybody else. Who gets there first? Right, there you go. If somebody wants to get to Glasgow with that, you know, air, they miss it now. It's nice to see it back again. Remember, people, start using it. We didn't want to see it gone again. Start using it. If you don't use it, it'll gone. We'll get it back on the 2 hour, will be lovely. Thanks for watching, subscribing me, and free. Thank you for watching us.